guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alaysia Chantae. If you don't know, now you know, and since you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today's look is actually a look that was requested on my Instagram, so you guys make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. I will leave it on the screen and in the description. So yeah, let's get into this look, you guys. So of course I started off with one eye basically already finished, and for the other eye I'm going to take the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade 0910, and that is going to be my base for my eyeshadow. I just apply it with a flat brush and then I go in and blend it out until it is nice and tacky before going in with my eyeshadow. For this look today, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and first I'm going to take that brown, and this is going to be my crease shade. So as you guys can see, I am first building up the color in my crease before doing any type of blending. This technique is like really simple, and every time that I use it, my looks come out super blended. I feel like it's really good for beginners. Just always take your time, and yeah, you can't go wrong. So next I'm going to go in with the orange. This will be my transition color, and as you guys can see, I'm using the same tapping motions to apply the orange, and doing this, it is also blending out the brown on its own. I still like to go back and blend it myself just to be sure, but this really does the blending for you guys. Super simple, just pack the color on. So after applying the orange so that it won't be so harsh in my transition area, I'm just going to take a blank brush and just go around the edges to kind of blow it out. And then I'm going back in with that brown just to deepen my crease up a little more. And as you guys can see, I'm actually doing blending motions now. This is just me going back in, building up color, and making sure everything is blended before cutting my crease. When it comes to cutting your crease for this look, it really does not have to be neat or dramatic. This is just a simple halo eye. All you really need to do is just leave a little blank space in the middle and fill that in with a color of your choice. This look is super simple but yet super cute, and it looks like you put a lot of time in when in reality you really only used like 3 colors and it really only took like 15 minutes. So lastly, we're going to take the shimmery blue from this palette, and that is going to be our cut crease shade, our halo shade, and we're just going to put that all over that blank space, and that's just really going to be the use for that. And these are the only 3 colors that I use for this look, y'all. Everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box, by the way. So after getting that shimmer down everywhere that I wanted it, I'm going to go back into the brown, and I'm actually going to just tap the edges of the blue on the outer corner and also the inner corner just to give it a really pretty blend. And this made it look like I used more colors than what I really used, but I really only used these 3 colors, y'all. So I went back in with the brown on the outer and inner corner, and then I did the same exact thing with the orange. This does not have to be neat at all, you guys. Just add colors, go back in with other colors, and y'all, like, you have it down. This is a really simple look. It's not as hard as it looks. For my bottom lash line, I really didn't want anything dramatic, so I just lightly went under with the brown, and then I went on top of the brown with the brush that I had the orange on just to blend that out and blow it out just a little bit. I didn't want too much color, but I also didn't want to leave it blank, so that's what I did. And for mascara, of course, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume, and I'm just going to put a nice little coat on my bottom lashes. And to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter and You Light Up My Life. I really just wanted to like really pack this freaking highlighter into my inner corners because it was just so pretty, y'all. That's kind of what I did, but it's just so pretty, y'all. Get this highlighter. Perfect for us melanin girls, okay? And for lips, I'm going to be hitting you guys with my favorite combo once again. So first, you're going to just take you a nice dark brown lip liner and line your lips nicely. You can overline, whatever, but line them and fill them in slightly. Next, I'm going to take Ruby Kisses Matte Lipstick in Spicy Brown as my base color. So of course, put that all over. Next, I'm taking another Ruby Kisses lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar, and this one is going to be mostly concentrated in the center of my lips. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural, and this is also going to go in the center of my lips. And lastly, I'm going to take this lip plumping lip gloss from Ulta, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. Just a light coat though. So this is the completed look. I really love how this came out, and you guys obviously did too. That's why you asked for the tutorial. To be able to request tutorials, you guys, please make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave it on the screen, Living La Vida Coca, 2 underscores. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.